Red bottoms match the Porsche. My man opens my doors. Elevator, top floor. Yeah, that's what we doing. Yeah, that's what we doing.
Alright, y'all. So, today I'm gonna be, Today I'm going to be trying a couple products that I got from work. I'm going to be trying the Glam Glow Insta Mud 60-second pore refining mask. And I'm going to be trying the Boscia exfoliating peel gel. Sorry that my mouth is blue. I had like my hair ice cream this morning, so yeah. But so what the Insta Mud is supposed to do is basically suck out all like the impurities in your skin so that it can like close those pores up so you can have more of a smooth appearance and refined pores. And the Boscia exfoliating peel gel is supposed to remove all the dead skin that you have on your face to reveal all the like clear and like better skin that you have underneath. So this is the before. We're gonna see how it's gonna look afterwards. I'm excited because I don't know what it's gonna look like. Let's go. First, I'm gonna wash my face with Boscia black cleanser first, just to get all the dirt off my face, because I just woke up. And then we're gonna do the exfoliating gel next. So I really make sure it's getting all that dead skin. Pump, pump, pump. This stuff is like hard to pump. The cool thing about this is that when you put it in your hand and you start rubbing it into your face, it warms, which is really cool. That's like the charcoal activating. Now, I always feel like, oh, got some in my eye. I always feel like the charcoal warming up, like opens up your pores too, so that the product can get deeper into it as well, which is really cool. And I just work that around my face. It feels like a nice white lather. Getting the nose area, chin. Oh, that's somebody on the door. Creepy. My tongue is so blue. But the ice cream is so good. And once it's like all lathered up, white lather, I go because I'm like very, like I want to make sure that my face is clean. I go in with my Clarisonic, ta-da, and I just go around and wash it again. And one thing I learned about Clarisonic is that not this brush, the like spinning activity that it does, it also like helps the product get deeper into your pores as well, so you get it even deeper clean. When I bought this product, I really noticed that it made my skin much clearer. Like before, I was just using my hands to wash, and my face was still like prone to acne and everything. But once I purchased the Clarisonic, my skin routine changed dramatically. This is like really old, so the new one apparently is like bomb.com. But once I purchased the Clarisonic, my skin routine changed dramatically. This is like really old, so the new one apparently is like bomb.com. But it's like $300, 100 something. Alright, now it's time to do some rinsing. And I always pat dry my face with, even though I always pat dry. so that I'm not doing any unnecessary tugging on my face, because that's how you get wrinkles and lines. And nobody wants that, right? All right, time for the exfoliating peel gel. I noticed that am really starting to like Boscia. Boscia, like, knows what they're doing when it comes to skincare. All right. I'm just gonna apply.
All over your face, and apparently, like, you see your dead skin. Like, as you rub it in, you see your dead skin, like, coming off your face. Which is, like, gross and cool at the same time. Oh, you guys see all that? All that. All those little white chunks. Wow, that's dead skin.
You know what? Like, it's weird, but I actually feel like my skin is breathing better right now, actually. Which is crazy. No, I'm still peeling. It won't stop. Oh my God. Oh my. It seriously won't stop peeling. All right, now we're gonna go in. Now we're gonna go in with the Insta Mud. So apparently a little goes a long way with this. So the way this works is that you put this on you put it like a thin layer on your face, and it foams up, and just like in 60 seconds, and just sucks everything out. So we're gonna try that because I have a lot of it. So let's see how this works. Like, I just feel like it's working so fast. I don't got time to manipulate it. Oh my God. Like, dang, mask, can I have time to put you on my face before you start working? 60 seconds, y'all. 60 seconds. It's faster than you think. Ooh. It's real tingly. It's real tingly. Like, I just feel like it's working so fast. I don't got time to manipulate it. Oh my God. Like, dang, mask, can I have time to put you on my face before you start working? 60 seconds, y'all. 60 seconds. It's faster than you think. Ooh. It's real tingly. Woo! This tingles. Yo, guys, I feel it. Well, I think I'm gonna be a fan of Glam Willow. You know how you like it, when you feel it, like that's what makes it real. Like when you can feel like you feel it going into your pores and you feel it like scooping all the dirt out and you feel it sucking it out. That's what Glam Glow feels like. It's almost don't want to take it off. I think it's past the 60 seconds though, but you gotta try this. Look at my face. Foamed up. So it's about time to rinse it off now, guys. And that's for that. I'm just gonna go in now with my water toner, mattifying water toner, and my zero oil moisturizer. Insta mud. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Exfoliating gel peel. I might just get an exfoliator. I don't really like the messiness of feeling the dead skin on my hands and how hard it was for it to come off and clean off. I didn't really like that, so I don't know if I'll be getting this one. Now my moisturizer. Go in circular motion so that you're not like dragging down on your face, because that also can give you wrinkles and lines, and nobody wants that. And there you have it. Poreless skin. I think it worked, actually. I think it really worked. Face has like a glow to it right now. But yeah. Thanks for watching, you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Diamonds match the Porsche. My man opens my doors. Elevator, top floor. Yeah, that's what we doing. Yeah, that's what we doing. They say I'm underrated.